everyone, welcome to a new video. Hoping you all are doing fine. So guys, in this video I will discuss about how to score rank in CMA examination. So guys, it is dream of every CMA student, CA student or CS student to score or get rank in your respective examination. So in this video I will discuss about the strategy which if you implement, I can assure that easily you can get rank. So guys, as you know that CMA is one of the prestigious or one of the toughest examination of CMA you can say in all over the India. So guys, getting rank in this course is, you can say, that the dream of every student. So in this video I will discuss about the strategy. So guys, as you know that it is not necessary that every student should go with the rank. Okay, every student should deliver their best and leave the rest irrespective of result, but just follow the, you can say that, just deliver his or her best. So guys, as you know that there are some preferences in campus placement also. In campus placement in the past we have also seen that lot many companies give preference to rank holders. Okay, so these are the benefit. Apart from this, if you are searching in off campus as well as, so yes, there are some benefit, you can say that, or preferences to the rank holder. So in this video I will discuss about the strategy. Okay, so first priority to every CMA student, if you heard the words of every rank holder or the qualified member, they always give preference to study material. So my preference is always to give study material. First try to complete your 100% your complete your syllabus with the help of study material. Please give the preference to study material, and while solving all the practical question, my humble request, please maintain a separate register, a fair register, in which you will contain all the formulas of every study material. Okay, please maintain a separate fair register for every practical questions. Okay, and in which you contain the formulas of every study material. Okay, apart from this, in this fair register you will contain all the solutions in a good manner in every questions of every chapter in the separate fair register. Okay, this will be beneficial when you are revising first time revision, second time revision, and one day revision. So please maintain a register in which you contain a separate you can say every chapter formulas and solution of every questions. So hope you get this answer. And after completing, and this is the strategy for practical questions, and for a theoretical subject like law and audit, what kind of strategy you can follow. If any student is facing problem in you can say that reading theory from study material, so he or she can refer any reference book. For law, you can buy any reference book of Mohit Agrawal sir, CA Raghav Goyal sir, CS Siddharth Agrawal, CS Ramandeep sir, and CS Arjun Chhabra sir. Any reference book for law you can buy. And for audit, Mohit Agrawal sir audit book you can buy. And you can say that, yes, Nikhil Gupta sir reference book you can buy for audit. Okay, so for theory you can buy. Okay, and this is my advice to you. It is not necessary to quote section in law or audit in examination. Okay, if you know the answer, or if you have an ability to, you can say the remember the section, so you can mention it is a plus point, but never write any wrong section in exam. Okay, it will be a wrong impression in the mind of examiner. So please never write wrong, and it is not necessary to write section name. If you're talking about me personally, I never wrote any section in the exam. So hope you get the answers. Okay, so please complete your first complete your first syllabus, then 2-time revisions. Okay, and whenever you are revising, do not solve all the practical questions, just in a rough register calculate, and yes, you are reaching the answer or not, just see this. Okay, if you again full time solve all the question, it will take too much time. Okay, so first complete your syllabus, then 2-time revision, and then come up with the 2016 suggested answers. Okay, which you can easily get from the study material. Okay, and my suggestion to you, if it is possible to you, buy the updated scanner, Taxman or Suchita publication, anyone you can buy. Okay, and if anyone is facing financial problems, so it is not necessary to buy a scanner. The benefit of buying a scanner is that, guys, if you see the, you can say that the 2016 suggested answer from study material, these are the solution of this the practical is not till not updated one. In the scanner you will get the answer, solution of every practical question in an updated manner, like if you're talking about law, audit, or if you're talking about direct taxation or indirect taxation. So this is the benefit of buying a scanner. Okay, all the solution will be in an updated manner, but this will be not you will get from the suggested answer from the institute website. So hope you are getting the benefit of scanner. Okay, apart from this, in a scanner you will get the, you can say that how many mark from a particular chapter is coming in the respective last 10-year examination. So you will get the trend of every chapter coming in the examination. Okay, so hope you are getting the benefit of scanner. Apart from this, every chapter summary you will get in a scanner. So these are the benefit of scanner. But if you are facing financial problems, so I can say that follow the suggested answer of 2016 from the study material. Please you can say practice 2016 suggested answer. After completing this, complete you can say practice workbook. I have already prepared a video how to get workbook or MCQ booklet. Please please practice workbook or MCQ booklet. All workbook or all MCQ, all 20 paper workbook or MCQ booklet you can download from the study material. So please complete this, and then before starting the examination, institute will always release the model test paper or mock paper. So this is the must one. Okay, so please revise. You can expect that the model test paper will be, you can say that the format which will be a final, you can see that same format will come in the main exam. So there will be some few changes, but mostly you can expect that the paper pattern will remain the same as per model test paper in the main examination. So please solve all the model test paper which releases by institute from foundation to till final. Please solve, and if you follow this strategy, I can assure that you can easily crack the examination. Okay, so I am in a concluding manner, I am revising once again. Okay, first complete your study material. First complete all the practical question of study material. Okay, and please maintain a separate register in which you will contain all study you can say that study note wise all the formulas. Okay, which will be beneficial in first time or second time revision or one day strategy before the examination. Okay, and solve all the practical question in that register. Okay, and for theory you can buy any reference book. Okay, I have already told the best teacher reference book name for law and audit, and it is not mandatory, it is not necessary to mention you can say that section code in main examination. It is not necessary, but if you have remember, so you can write, but never wrote any wrong section name in the examination. It will create a wrong impression in the mind of examiner. So, and after completing the 100% you can say solving the practical question, 2-time revision is necessary, then complete 2016 suggested answers. Okay, if you are not facing financial problem, buy the scanner, but if you are facing financial problem, then you can follow the 2016 suggested answer from study material. I have already discussed the benefit of scanner. Then completing the 2016 suggested answer, then come up with the MCQ booklet or workbook. I have already prepared a video from foundation to till final. You can get the MCQ booklet or workbook from institute websites. Okay, I have already prepared a video. You can see from the playlist, my YouTube channel playlist. Okay, then MCQ booklet or workbook. Then my suggestion to you, come up with the institute will, before start the examination, institute will upload the model test paper or mock paper. Please revise. You can see that same format will come in the examination. The format will be same in the model test paper or mock paper. Okay, so if you follow this strategy, I can assure you that you can easily crack your examination in first attempt, or even though you can easily get the rank in CMA inter or CMA final. Okay, so as you already know that yes, for getting rank you have to give both group. Okay, if you have good if you scored good mark, but if you are giving single group, so you can it will be not the eligibility to score rank. For getting the rank, you have to give both group in CMA inter or CMA final. There is no concept of getting rank in CMA foundation. The rank concept is applicable only in CMA inter or CMA final. So this is the crux and this is the strategy. If you follow this strategy, I can assure you that you can easily crack your examination, CMA examination of foundation, inter or final in first attempt, or in CMA inter or final you can easily crack the rank. Still you have any doubt or have any question, you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you from my side. That's all about this video. Bye guys. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me, and you need any guidance for any respective or particular subject, you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you. So from my side, that's all about this video. Bye guys.